Alright, welcome back to the Roblox course, and in this lecture we're just going to take a quick look and overview over the obby we're going to build in the coming lectures. So this is already the finished obby, so it's going to be a little bit spoiler heavy in this case. But just to show you what are we going to do, what are we going to create, and what is the idea here. So the idea is that we're going to create an obby that has a few different stages, right? So just some parts strewn about, and some of them are moving, some of them are rotating, and in here we actually have a lineup of cannons that are going to shoot at different parts at us that we have to evade. We have different checkpoints, so each of the stages here has a checkpoint associated with it, and we also have a timer. So we're just going to quickly run this obby, and as you can see here, immediately I'm in team 1 in this case, and I have a time of 0, and once we step onto the first platform here, the timer is going to start. So as you can see now, the timer has started, and now it is a race against the clock to finish this obby. And in the background, as you can see the cannons already firing. Now if you touch this spawn platform, then we're going to be at team 2, so this is a checkpoint, and this is now going to be a really hard part to get through this without getting hit. And as we can see, we've actually mastered it beautifully. Now we have a moving platform that's moving up and down, so we actually need to get on that. That was kind of lucky. And then after we've gone on that, we actually have to have a little bit of a wait and go here. Now we have this rotating platform. I like to take the right way here because it makes more sense. Now we have to wait for this one. Right, now we respawn at this spawning location because this is the checkpoint that we've done. And I believe that that is it for showing it. That's fine. If we go back here, you can see that these are also moving platforms. The last part here after the rotating platforms here is then just this, and once we hit this finish line, then we have won the obby and we are through. Then the timer will stop, and then that is it. Yeah, this is just a short little thing that we're going to do. First we're going to model it, so the first lecture is going to be modeling the obby. The second lecture is going to be adding the moving platform scripts. Then we're going to add the cannons back here. And after we added the cannons, we're going to add the checkpoints, which is not that hard. And then in the end, we're also going to add the timer and the leaderboard that you have seen on the top right. So this is just the short little overview for this section. And yeah.